This is Faces of Research from Duke, where science meets humanity. We share the stories of patients and survivors who, through innovative research and compassionate care, overcame immense healthcare challenges and are now living their lives to the fullest. These are the moments, big and small, that make research real. When Yvette's retirement dreams were threatened by a rare eye disease slowly attacking her vision, she feared a future fading into darkness. This episode of Faces of Research shares how a first-of-its-kind FDA-approved treatment at Duke Eye Center helped restore Yvette's independence, keeping her world boundless and full of possibility.
My retirement life and being able to retire is a privilege. Not everybody gets the chance to work their career and then retire and then still be able to have retirement adventures. And because of Dr. Vazovich and her team at the Duke Eye Center and all of the research that took nearly 2 decades to complete allowed me the opportunity to get this treatment and have these choices. And so knowing that I will not be losing my vision, it has given me renewed hope for all the possibilities of adventures that are coming my way. I want to say my retina surgeon has mad skills, and she was excellent, and her team was excellent. To say thank you, to say that I'm grateful, the words are too small to express my true gratitude for this timely treatment in my life.
This is Faces of Research from Duke, where science meets humanity.